Hey guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So I thought I will invest a part of my YouTube income on some art supplies, and I also purchased some items for my desk setup, and that video will come up really soon. I'm just arranging everything and there's just some little work that has to be done. So after that I will upload that video. So until I upload that video, you can enjoy this video. Now I'm not really an artist, but it's a hobby for me to indulge in artistic activities, and that's why I bought these things and I tried them out, and I will show you how I use these items as well. So I'm not just going to show you, but I'm also going to test them out for you in this video. And if you are someone who really enjoys the Pinterest app, then you will definitely enjoy watching this video. Personally, I spend most of my time on Pinterest, and if I actually used up that much time on actually creating art, then I feel like I would have become an artist by now. Anyway, now I will just stop blabbering and we will start with the video. But before that, if you like what you see so far, then definitely consider subscribing. Now let's get started. So the first item that I got is Flash Artists acrylic colors. These are from the brand Lakshmi Paints, which is a completely made in India brand, and this cost rupees 999. There are 25 shades in this one, and each bottle is of 50 ml. The packaging is really impressive, especially when you are buying something online. The packaging matters a lot, but these bottles are really tightly sealed, which is great because the colors won't leak at all. Now I will show you all the colors one by one. Yellow cream, burnt umber, parrot green, ultramarine blue, aqua green, lemon yellow, yellow ochre, sap green, golden yellow, turquoise green, magenta, violet, green, Prussian blue, black, sky blue, grey, brilliant purple, ultra white, flesh tint, marine blue, orange, crimson red, burnt sienna. Next, I purchased two sets of brushes. The first one is the Camlin Champ flat brushes. There are 7 brushes in this set, and these cost me rupees 190. The quality is really nice. These are very sturdy and they will actually last me a really long time. And the sizes are also very good for any beginner. Next, I purchased the Faber-Castell brushes. There are 7 brushes in this one again. The tip is very different. These are really nice for doing detailed work and the intricate work. So I think again this is very good for beginners. And since I'm not really an artist, I just paint as a hobby, so I think these brushes are good. Next, I purchased the Camel watercolor tubes. There are 18 shades in this pack. These are the names of all the shades that are inside this pack. I think this is a steal deal because for 151 rupees you get 18 shades and the shades are pretty diverse. Now I know that the tubes are pretty tiny, but I think if you are a beginner then these will be great. Plus watercolors tend to dry up really quick, so for that I think these tubes are good because you can actually finish them. This is for you to have a closer look at the tube. It's really tiny, and the name of the shade is printed on the tube itself. This one is Cobalt Blue. Next, I purchased this set of 6 mini canvases. These canvases look really pretty, and if you are a Pinterest addict like me, then you would know how amazing these can look. And with these canvases, I purchased some canvas stands, and these were packed so well because there is no way that these canvas stands would be damaged as they were packed so well. So I ordered a set of 10 stands, and these are so good. Like, the quality is absolutely premium and the finishing is so good. I mean, I can't believe that I got so many canvases for such a good price. and this looks so nice. I will paint something on this one so you will get to see how it looks, and I'm absolutely in love with this. Next, I purchased these watercolor brush pens. You just have to fill these with water and then you can use this as a brush with watercolor, and this is amazing for doing calligraphy. I have seen this everywhere on Instagram and Pinterest, and I wanted to try these. Now there are 3 sizes in this one, I think, which is good for a beginner. I am a beginner, I have never used such a brush pen. And along with that, I purchased this Brustro art sheets. There are 24 sheets in this one, A4 size sheets, and 300 GSM. So the quality is really good. This one is good for acrylic paint as well and watercolor. So I think these sheets are good for practicing, and I have to practice watercolor because I am not really good with watercolor at all. Alright, now I will use these paints and all the items that I got and create something for you guys to see. Now I'm no artist, but I just want to tell you that I'm really impressed with these colors. These are extremely pigmented. I'm using a very tiny amount of color and it's so pigmented and it just flows. It's very nice, not blotchy at all. And the best part is that there is no weird fragrance in these colors. Like usually paints have this weird smell, and if you are allergic or if you are sensitive to such fragrances, then it will be very weird because you will get a headache. But these colors have almost no smell, which is such a good thing. By the way, I want to quickly mention that this is not an original artwork. I saw this on Pinterest and just tried to copy it. I also tried to work with some blues and greens to see if they work nicely as well. I think the dark green one, I think this is the turquoise green. It looks a little blotchy, but I only did 1 coat of it. So I think if I do 2 coats, then it will be perfect. And this is what it looks like. I think this is so beautiful and it will instantly escalate the beauty of your study table or wherever you want to keep this. This is such a wonderful decor item, and whenever you create something by yourself, it's always so special. Okay, so now I'm gonna use these brushes and I filled them with water, and please forgive me for what I'm going to paint next, because this is the first time I'm using these brushes and I'm also not very good with watercolor. So I'm just gonna try, and I don't know, I'm just trying to draw a rose, which definitely doesn't look like a rose, but you can see how it works. And this paper is the Brustro art sheet that I showed you earlier. So overall, I just wanted to test these items so that you can have a look. Alright guys, so those were all the items, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and the things that I created. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell icon so you're notified with all the further updates, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.